In food service, a spotless reputation depends on spotless dishware. Betco Symplicity Warewash solutions deliver sparkling clean results every time. Spot-free glassware and film-free dishes mean rewashes drop from 5% to under 1%, saving labor and boosting throughput. By eliminating hand polishing, Symplicity Warewash products reduce daily labor costs and allow your team to focus on what matters most, your guests. Our closed-loop SureConnect system keeps staff safe, ensures precise dosing, and protects your equipment from costly damage. With multilingual training, EPA-compliant support, and direct access to Betco's expert team, your operation is always inspection-ready and supported. To discover more information about how Symplicity Warewash solutions from Betco can protect your reputation and bottom line, visit betco.com, call 888-GO-BETCO, or contact your local Betco sales representative.